What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your, what are they? Let's see, ignition coils, which are these right here. Your ignition coils, your wires, and your spark plugs on your 5.3 GM engine. Okay, we're going to try to do this side and this side. Now you're gonna have to bear with me because I'm gonna try to do this one-handed with the camera, of course, on the left hand, and doing it with the right hand, whatever. But as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. This should be fairly easy to get to. This shouldn't be a hard job, assuming everything goes right. You know, there's always that little pain in the ass that will make the job last longer. 4, 5, 6. No, I mean 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. All right. Well, I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you what tools you need. All right. The first thing we will be doing is going to be to move these hoses out of the way so I can probably get a better view. There we go. We're going to be removing this wire and the spark plug, the wire from the plug down here. Okay. So in order for us to do that, we just get ourselves regular, good old handy dandy wrench. We grip on it carefully, but don't squeeze too tight, okay? And then just basically wiggle it back and forth like this. Let me see if I can get a better angle. There we go. Wiggle it back and forth as you push down, you know. Just you grab. No, I'm not doing this too hard. I don't want to damage, you know. I'm replacing the coils anyway, so it doesn't matter. But for you guys at home, that should have done it. Let's see. There we go. I heard it unplug already. Oh, sorry about that. Well, not bad. Yeah. Let's see. Let's try. The way you basically do it is this way. Where's this way? Right here. You can pull it with your hand if you can. After you get it loose with the wrench, pull it with your hand, it should come off. Now this bottom one is usually a pain as well, but it's basically the same procedure. Grab your handy dandy wrench and then grab it and pull the sucker out. Oh, there you go. Ta-da! That's how you get it off. Alright. Now let's get the spark plug off. There it is. For the spark plug part, you're gonna need a 5/8 spark plug socket to get those out. So let's check it out, see how it goes. All right, so there's a spark plug right there. We get our 5/8 socket, and then carefully. There we go. Break it loose. And it should start to come out. There we go. Very good. All right, you know the drill. Hold on, let me get it out. All right, once it's loosened up all the way, if it doesn't come out with your socket, you should just be able to pull it out. There's our old spark plug. This looks nasty. Look at this thing. Oh, the new one looks like. It's a new NGK. Very good, ready to go. All right, let's put this in. Same procedure, you know. Don't over tighten it, and just make sure it's on there, and you should be good to go. So here we go. Start it on. Start threading it on with your hands. I don't know if some mechanics will agree with me or not. Or you can use your socket. All right. Let's see. make sure it starts to thread on. You should be good to go. There's your. Let me see if I can see it. No, there it is. There you go. Now let's try to get it in here. Alright, basically once you get it started, a little bit, make sure it's threaded on right. That's when you get your good old handy spark plug socket and tighten it up by hand all the way first, and then give it a few lub turns, maybe about 90 degrees, or just try to gauge it right, you know, just don't over tighten it. Here you go, you don't want to damage anything. Alright, there you go. Basically guys, then just slide the new wires in and over the plug and hook it up to your ignition coil, just like that, and you're good to go. But I am also going to replace this coil right here, so if you want to stick around for that, I'm going to show you right now. Here we go. Alright guys, for this one you're going to need a 10mm, there we go, 10mm socket, and you're going to want to take off, let's see, this bracket right here, which is held in by this 10mm bolt, I believe, and then it should free up this one. It should free up this one right here and this one right here. See if you can get a better look. Sorry, it's all dirty here. But yeah, basically we're gonna remove this 10mm, this 10mm right here next to it, and then this bracket one is on this side. This one. So first things first. You gotta unplug. Let's pull this tab. Just so easy like this. Pull this tab and then bring it up. It's gonna come off. Move it out of your way. Then take this bracket off. So be careful when you move your hoses. Where is it? So this bracket bolts right there. Get this bracket bolt off. It's kind of hard when I got the camera. There we go. It's 10mm. Let's see. Let me take this off. Yes, she finally came off. Here it is. Set it somewhere where you won't lose it. Okay, and now we should be able to free up this bracket. Move it to the side. Now we have access to our coil. So once again, 10mm. Make sure your battery cable is disconnected, which mine is. So don't make that mistake. Oops. Oh wow, these are actually not 10mm. These are 8mm. Let me get my 8mm. Get my handy dandy Craftsman toolbox. I always have deals on my eBay store going on. I'm gonna link that in the description. Hopefully you guys buy it from me. Here we go. Let's see if this is it. See, oh, it's not an 8. It's not an 8. It's a 7. What? Okay. You know, those strips back and forth to the toolbox. Try to keep it as close to you as possible. Alright, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, it is a 7, so let's do that real quick. Let's break these puppies loose. Do it this way, right here. Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's like when you're making love, you know, and then you're going so fast and it just slips out. Sorry guys if you're underage. Or kids, please don't be watching this. 18 and over. This is rated R. Raunchy. Alright, this never ending. Screws. There we go, one more time. Losing this one up. Alright, so let's fast forward. Alright, now once these suckers are loose, you can take them off by hand. Put it somewhere safe. Now this coil is going to want to drop, so you can hold it with your hand while unscrewing that. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Here we go. And she is free. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a review of these ignition coils I got from eBay. Alright, it was a set of 8, kind of too good of a deal to pass up. But they sent me these, so we're going to try them on and see what it's like. Alright, so same procedure to put them back on. You know, same old, same old. So let's do it. Here we go, right here. Alright, once you get your bolts on there, oops, sorry. Once you get your bolts on there, just start tightening them down and let's get this puppy ready to go. You know the drill. Tighten it up. And then, once it's firm on there, make sure both of them are firm on there. Go. Plug your puppy back in. And I'll get your wire. Sorry, these hoses are in the way. Get your wire and let's plug it in here. There you go. Alright, once these puppies are plugged in, you're good to go. That's how you replace your spark plug, your wire, and your ignition coil all in one video, baby. Same procedure for all of them. Of course, the ones in the back are going to be very difficult, so I'm not going to go ahead and film that. You already know. Just if you have the right tools, it should be easy to do. Get yourself that 7mm, go back there. That's easy. Okay, same thing with that spark plug back there. Well, guys, good luck. Thank you for watching. Hit a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let me know. Hit that. Check out this Craftsman toolbox in the link below. I'm gonna try to link on eBay. One of the ones that I'm selling. With all these pieces, perfect for on-the-road, mobile mechanic, whatever. You know, this is my spare toolbox. So there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.